Folks, people often ask me, why did you become a criminal defense lawyer? Or sometimes they'll ask me, how can you be a criminal defense lawyer if you know someone's guilty? With that question, I usually respond is, do you ever ask a prosecutor, how could you be a prosecutor or prosecute a case if you know someone's innocent? The reason why I became a criminal defense lawyer is because I felt a duty. I felt compelled to pay it forward. It was around 2000. I had just finished graduating from the university in undergrad, and I had gotten into a fight one night. And the fight had turned into a much bigger fight, and anyway, one of the people involved in the fight got pretty hurt. His orbital lobe was fractured. And I did not do that. But in any event, I was the one that was charged with the crime. I was charged with battery causing substantial bodily harm. It was a felony, not as serious as some of the felonies we deal with here, but it's still a pretty serious felony. If I would have been convicted of that crime, I would never have gotten to be a lawyer, most likely. It was right when I was going into law school, and I had to search for lawyers. There were let's make a deal lawyers, and there were trial lawyers. I was looking for a trial lawyer because I did not do it, and I was not going to plead guilty and say that I did. In any event, what happened was ultimately I went through a process where after the first year of law school, after the first semester of law school actually, I had to come back to my hometown and sit for a jury trial. That experience gave me so much insight, it gave me so much clarity, and it gave me so much strength because I hired a good lawyer. I went through that process, and I got to see firsthand what it's like to fight the government and beat the government. I was acquitted. I was acquitted of all counts, and I knew that day that I was going to be a criminal defense lawyer. I had to pay this forward. So that's why I became a criminal defense lawyer, folks.